Ready to level up your website from Wix to the powerful Wix Studio? First, log into your standard Wix account where the website you want to transfer is located. Ensure you have admin privileges for the site. Look for a banner or prompt within your Wix dashboard advertising upgrade to Wix Studio or something similar. The placement may slightly depending on Wix updates. Before you click, understand that Wix Studio offers advanced features like custom breakpoints, more design flexibility, CSS control, and enhanced collaboration. These all give web design professionals more control. Once you're ready, click the upgrade button. A confirmation window will likely appear, explaining potential changes and asking you to confirm your decision. Carefully read the message, and if you are comfortable with it, confirm the transfer. The process may take some time depending on the size and complexity of your website. Watch the progress bar to check the status. Once the transfer is complete, you will be inside the Wix Studio interface. Here, you'll find that the structure of your website remains, but the editing environment is vastly different. Now, thoroughly review your website, paying close attention to responsive design, because certain elements might need adjustments due to the change in platform. Utilize Wix Studio's advanced features, such as custom breakpoints and the CSS editor, to refine your design and functionality. Congratulations! Your website is now in Wix Studio. Explore the platform, experiment with its features, and enjoy the enhanced control and creative possibilities it offers.